Introducing Aura Saifu, the first of its kind, all-in-one solution for your asset storage, transaction, and recovery. No more hassles from the outdated wallets. The Aura Saifu allows you safely store all your cards, cryptocurrencies, even the membership card from your local store in one place. Everything is organized and accessible at your fingertips. You can use the Aura Saifu to pay for everything. Store all your cryptos, unlock your door, even use it to exchange name cards, all with this simple but amazing hardware. Billions of dollars asset got hacked and stolen every year. You should worry about yours as well. Aura Saifu is the first hardware on Earth using both TEE and SE technology to ensure 100% security over your asset storage and payments. For cryptocurrency users, you can use Aura Saifu as a cold wallet. Unlike traditional cold wallet using USB port for data transfer, Aura Saifu uses NFC and dynamic QR code technology, which is totally off the grid. You can have full control of your crypto asset and make peer-to-peer transaction anywhere you want. Traditional credit cards and cryptos apps are still hackable when they got lost or stolen, but not with Aura Saifu. Aura Saifu wallet will self-erase your key information after 5 passwords fail attempts. Your data will never be passed to the wrong hands. What about data recovery, you might ask? Introducing BPAL, the NFC-enabled backup chip for Aura Saifu. This one-tap recovery solution provides an effortless way to recover your data. For crypto users, the BPAL can also replace the mnemonic words in a more secure and reliable way. We believe a wallet should not only be functional, but also be artistic. The Aura Saifu has a 4-inch Retina Sapphire display with a screen-to-body ratio of 83.8%. It has gone through 45 steps of polish and multi-layer coating. The body is designed to fit for palm. We are a company formed by scientists and top developers specialized in payment security and digital asset security. We are 100% confident about this product, and we are ready on every perspective from software to hardware. We just need your help to bring this project to the public. So join us today to create the future of payment.
Imagine having superpowers, such as traveling in time to meet a historical character, teleporting yourself, being invisible, flying over your favorite places, meeting your idol, or exploring distant galaxies. This promise may seem strong, yet you'll immediately understand how this extraordinary thing is possible with lucid dreams. Imagine a supple and comfortable bracelet that you wear every day, which vibrates on your wrist several times a day to discreetly tell you that it's time to check if you're sleeping. Once you're in full dream mode, the bracelet will automatically detect that it's time to vibrate again. You will feel your arm vibrate inside your dream, and this will propel you instantly into a lucid dream. Most older generation devices play on light and sound, two senses that tend to interfere with your sleep. Light is a sign the brain interprets as an indication that it's time to wake up. Many alarm clocks use light as well. Sound? Well, no need to explain. Noise has always disrupted sleep. Once again, the Insta-Dreamer makes all the difference. Vibrations provide direct access to your subconscious. In addition, everyone has the idea that vibration should attract our attention through the vibrating sound of cell phones. Discreet and comfortable, the Insta-Dreamer also offers you other functions that you'll discover right away. So, what makes our device a real revolution that will enable you to have a lucid dream probably the very first evening you use it? More than 70% of our testers experienced a lucid dream during one of the first 3 nights using it. And that's not all. With Insta-Dreamer and its VibraSmart technology, you'll not only wake up fully refreshed because of the device's ability to analyze your sleep cycles and wake you up at the best moment, but you'll be able to wake up when you want to without ever disturbing the person next to you. You'll also be able to consult the sleep cycle data directly on your smartphone, thanks to the triple accuracy of the InstaDreamer. In fact, it can measure your body temperature, your movements, as well as your pulse. The latest studies show that a combination of these three functions provide unbeatable precision. No older, bulky, and uncomfortable devices which wake you up, disturb your partner, and which rarely offer results. Get your InstaDreamer now and discover the amazing power of instant lucid dreams and much more.
Beer, the sacred liquid element. As we drink a beer, the foam disappears, and with it, the aroma and flavor. Foam is the beer's natural defensive layer that protects it from oxidation and retains volatiles. That's why, for all those beer lovers who value the smell details, we present the revolutionary new experience device, Sonic Beer. Using the latest technology, Sonic Beer generates ultrasonic waves that stimulate the carbonated volatile components inside your beer, breaking some of the intramolecular interactions, extracting foam with aromatic compounds, all in just a few seconds. Place the glass of beer on the base. Push the button. Enjoy. You can now experience a better tasting beer with a creamy foam and complex sensations. Sonic Beer is portable. Take it wherever you want. Enjoy it with friends and family. Sonic Beer has an elegant minimalist design with customizable colors. Sonic Beer is spill resistant, works great with all kinds of beers. Ethical. Made with recycled plastics without planned obsolescence and reusable common AA batteries.
I really like how the thin creamy foam allows you to relieve the original flavor.
I think it's fun to use. I had a really good time with my friends using this.
I'm really surprised. The effect it has on the beer really gives it a nice thick head of foam, and it really takes out the flavors and the matices that the beer has. It's really fantastic. I like it.
My name is Ivan Larrauri, and I need your help to spread the word about Sonic Beer. We are open to all kinds of collaborations. Please support us on Kickstarter. Cheers.
Sonic Beer enhances your beer experience.